Dogs and humans partners in a dance as old as time. We've come to rely on each other, but living together isn't always easy. Dogs speak to us, but we don't always understand. They wag their tails, lick our faces, and snuggle beside us. But sometimes our attempts to show love miss the mark. Dogs have their own ways of showing affection, often subtle and overlooked. A gentle lean, a soft gaze, a playful bow. These are love letters in dog language. Just like us, they crave connection, understanding, and respect. We hug to show love, a universal symbol of warmth and affection. But for your dog, that embrace might feel more like a trap. We see a hug as comforting, but your dog might feel his movement restricted, his escape blocked. Imagine yourself in your dog's paws, a much larger being enveloping you in their arms, limiting your ability to move freely. Not so comforting anymore, is it? This instinctive discomfort is rooted in their natural instincts. Dogs are wired for movement, for exploration. Their survival depends on their ability to react quickly to their environment. When we hug them, we inadvertently trigger a stress response. Their heart rate might increase, they might pant excessively, or try to pull away. Ignoring these subtle cues can lead to heightened anxiety and even fear. Over time, your dog might start associating hugs with negative feelings, leading to avoidance behavior, or, in extreme cases, even aggression. Remember, a stressed dog is not a happy dog. So how can we show our dogs we love them in a way they understand? The answer lies in learning their language. Instead of a hug, try a gentle scratch behind the ears, a playful belly rub, or simply sitting beside them and speaking in a soothing voice. Let your dog approach you for affection. Give them space when they need it. By respecting their boundaries and responding to their cues, we build trust, deepen our bond, and show them love on their terms. Remember, the greatest gift we can give our dogs is understanding.